In mind to give you Queen's Too Much Love would kill you.
I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I'll be facing this alone for much too long. Oh, it feels like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggling would be. And my entire state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You heard it for disaster, 'cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time.
I must say, is one of the best songs that Freddie Mercury sang during his time. Wherever he is, may his soul rest in peace. He will say, thank you, you did my song justice.
You did it for me. That was beautiful. That was brilliant. For me, that is the best today.